Hello friends, in this video we're going to discuss about how to fix up an error of iOS 12 updation. So here is step number 1. Check first of all the iOS compatibility devices. So here is the list which accept iOS 12. Second step is to force restart your phone or your devices. So here's the step for iOS 6, SE and earlier phones. Here is the step for iOS 7, 7 Plus series. These are the steps for iOS X series as well as 8 series. Now check again for software update options in setting and click on install. Hey, congratulations, your iOS 12 installed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share with your friends.